Hey everyone, welcome back to Codex Academy. Today we are going to create a very exciting project where we can control fan light by using our voice. Yes, in this project we will use Scratch along with Teachable Machine sound model to recognize our voice commands like fan off, light on, light off, any command you can give, and this program will understand your voice and automatically control the electronic devices. So are you ready? But before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your family and friends. And let's start building an amazing AI voice control project. Here we go. So first we open Google and here I will type Race Playground. Okay, this is our Race Playground and now I'll click on this and now I will open this first option into new tab. So this is our Race Playground home screen. You have seen in our many videos where we have shown you how we can use number of extensions in Race Playground. So here first we are going to open Playground. So this is our Race Playground Scratch screen. First what I'm going to do here in this project, as I already told you, we are going to show you by using the voice command how we can allow the sprites make it on, off or run anything, whatever the actions you want. So for that, first what I'm going to do, I will take one backdrop over here first. I'll delete this sprite and I will take one backdrop. I'll take this room 2 backdrop. Okay. And now I will going to take extension of Teachable Machine. So we'll click on this add extension and now this is our Teachable Machine. So we are going to click on it and you can see number of blocks are here. First what I'm going to do, I will make the transparency 100 and here I will take when green flag click, Teachable Machine, turn camera on and make its transparency 100%. So it shows my camera is in use. Now it able to recognize my voice and my pauses as well, right? So what I'm going to do, I will click on Teachable Machine site. You can see there are 3 type of projects we can create: image project, audio project and pause project. If you are following us, you might be seeing we have already created the video how we can use all these projects in Teachable Machine. So here, because we are going to make a project on voice command, so we are click on audio project. And here we are going to create 5 different type of class. First background noise, then fan off, fan on, lamp off. Okay. First here I'm going to record background noise. So we'll on the mic. So here it's detecting my microphone. Allow while visiting the site. I'll click on that. And now you can record your background sound. Here I'm not going to speak anything. So it will easily record my background noise. Great. Now we'll extract the sample. You can see this is our background noise is recorded by the system. Okay. Now we are going to create class 2 and here I will give the name of the class fan on. And now I will record my voice. It's quite funny because multiple time we'll say the same command fan on and fan on. Okay. So here I'll just click on the mic and now I'll record my voice. Fan on, fan on, fan on, fan on, fan on, fan on. Yeah, it must be enough. Like minimum 8 we want and here I have created 12. Okay. Now I'm going to add more classes and in this I will give the name fan off. Okay. Mic on, fan off, fan off, fan off. So this must be enough. Okay. Now I will add the class for lamp. Here I will give the name light on. And now I'll start recording. Light on, light on. Okay. And now the last one, I will create light off. And here I will record my voice. Light off, light off. Before we are going to train our model, let's check the voice command. That should be clear. Otherwise, your machine might be confused what you are saying, and according to that, it's very difficult for them to follow your command. Now we will train our model. Okay, it may take 30 to 40 seconds. So as you have seen, it's recording our model and our model is ready. Now, if I'm not speaking anything, you can recognize this background noise. It will be approximate 90%. So I just stop saying anything right now. You can see the result. See, background noise will be 99%. And now I will check my model before I'm going to export. Fan on, light on, light off. Fan off. You can see our model is working perfectly. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I will export my model and here we'll upload our model. And once it's upload done, you can see the shareable link is popped up. And now I will copy this and go back to my Race Playground Scratch screen. And here we'll take use model block and paste our URL here. Okay, now I just click on the green flag and you will see our model is start uploading on this screen. It's loading, right? And once it's loaded, it show model loaded, right? Our model is ready. And now what I'm going to do, I will upload my two sprites. So here I'm going to upload my sprites. So these are my fans with the different positions because I'm going to show fan running and fan stop. So first I'm going to take fan 1 open and now I'm going to costume and here I will upload rest of my costume. Fan 2, 3, 4 open. You can see all the costumes are here. Now go back to code and make this fan size 50. That's perfect. And now I'll keep it here. I will going to upload the second sprite, that is lamp. So we'll take lamp on and here it's my lamp. This is also too big. We can make it small and this one also I will make it 60. I think that would be fine. Yes. And I will keep it over here on table. And now I'll go to the costume and here I will upload its costume, that is lamp off. Okay, keep it this first and this is second. Okay, and here I will set it. Now go back to code. Now what I want, first I will going to upload my classes. So for that I'll go to stage and here I will take when model detect fan off, it broadcast fan off. So we'll go to event and take broadcast new message fan off. Okay, and next make it duplicate 3 more times. Okay, now fan off done. This one I will make it fan on and the broadcast also new message fan on. Okay, same here. We'll take light off, here new message light off. Okay, and this one light on, broadcast new message light on. That's it. Great. Now we'll do one more coding. When the space key press, everything should be stopped. So we can control on and off of complete coding. For that I will take when space key press, go to control and take stop all. So this is the complete coding in background. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, first I will select fan. It's a very small coding we require here. First go to event, take when green flag click and we'll fix its position. Go to motion and take this position block. Afterwards, first we want its costume should be fan 1. So switch costume to fan 1. and then show. Next, there are two broadcasts we have created for fan. One is fan on and another one is fan off. So we'll go to the event and take when I receive. Make it duplicate, fan off and fan on. Now we'll put these blocks over here and take control forever loop in both, and then in fan off I want its costume should be switched to fan 1 only, but here continuously its costume should be changed, right? For that I will take next costume. So continuously its costume going to change and it's look like the fan is running, right? Now the next one is lamp. What we want here is the similar like the fan, not a big code. What I want here, when green flag click, make it bit bigger, and then we'll fix its position, go to motion and take X and Y, and then afterwards go to looks and take switch costume to lamp off, then show. And now what I want, same, we'll go to event and take when I receive twice. Here I will select light off and light on, and here we'll take switch costume to make it duplicate, and here I will place off, here I will place on. That's it. Isn't so simple? Yes, it is. Now just check the costume. Now our model is ready. So just click on the big screen. Okay. Click on the green flag. It will take around 20 to 30 seconds to get recognize your voice. So don't get worry about that. Your project is not working. Okay. Fan on. Fan off. Fan on. Fan off. Light on. Light off. Fan on. Off. Light on. Light off. Light on. Light off. Fan on. Fan off. Light on. Light off. You can see how our sprites, without using keyboard and mouse, we can control them by our voice commands. You can also try this and tell us it's working for you or not. I am waiting for your comment. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share with your family and friends. We are also taking online classes on Scratch and robotics. If you are interested, you can visit our website and contact us on codexacademy.com. With this note, we conclude the session. We'll see you in next session. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.